How to contact TD Bank customer service. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can contact TD Bank's customer service. So without any further ado or without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to contact TD Bank customer support, it is very simple for us to do so. So what you have to do is to simply first of all open up your browser and go to TD Bank customer service and search for it. And directly from the contact us link from td.com, you'll find their official link. So for English, you'll have this number. If you want to speak in French, you'll have the other number. Now, if you don't trust this, you can also tap on their contact us link. Make sure it is the official domain from TD Bank. And when you've done that, you'll find various contact links over here as well. So you can scroll down, tap on contact us, and again tap on visit help center, and you can just tap on the contact button to contact them. Otherwise, you can directly call these numbers that is given over here. This way you can contact TD Bank customer service. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.